I would like to introduce Hawaii's popular restaurant and special food. First, plumeria is famous flower in the flowers of Hawaii. The second, a famous restaurant is Cheesecake Factory. This is cream pasta, jambalaya pasta, shrimp, scampi, and steak Diane, and original cheesecake. The third farmers market is well known in Hawaii. It sells pasta, sausage, scrambled eggs, fruits, ice cream, and other a lot of things. Next, on July 1st, there was a parade for Independence Day, and Independence Day was a spectacular fireworks. If you want to come Hawaii, you come to in July better. In July, the weather was fine and a good spectacle. Thank you.